Okay, so here's how you can make a really quick hand warmer. Get some pairs of socks. These are just for pockets, so I'm using little booty socks. So I put it in a cup that's about the same size of my sock. Wrap my sock around it. Make sure there's a little hole in there. I'm going to take some rice and I'll fill it about halfway full. So I'm going to fill it just with any rice. It doesn't matter what kind of rice. Brown rice, white rice, long grain, short grain. Then fill it about halfway full. Test it. That feels good. Take your sock off. See, it's about halfway full. Comes to about here. And then I'm just going to take, you could tie a knot, but for here I'm going to reuse these. So I'm just going to do a hair tie around them. Done. Hand warmer. So when I go on my cold walk, I'll have this one and I'm going to make the other one. And so I'll have two. I'll put them in the microwave. You got to test them because you want to make sure they don't, catch on fire or start to smoke. If so, you put it in the microwave too long. So I would probably do 2 of these for my microwave. I'll start with 45 seconds and then test it. Okay, so I have my 2 socks done. I'm going to go ahead and wait until I get ready to go on my walk. Put them in the microwave for 45 seconds. You can use rubber bands, but make sure you don't use any twist ties or hair ties that have any metal on them. So this one's good because there's no metal. So I am, again, tying a knot works. I've done that plenty of times. Tie this around, and these will be ready to go for my walk. And I'll use these throughout the winter. And then when I'm done, I'll still have my pair of socks. The nice thing about rice, some people use lentils or other things like that, but the nice thing about the rice is that it reabsorbs moisture from the air, so you get that moist heat, and it doesn't continue to dry out. So I prefer rice over the other grains. All right, see you on the trail.